Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add a professional email signature in HubSpot, you're in the right place. A good email signature doesn't just sign off your messages, it reinforces your brand, shares your contact info, and builds trust with your recipients. In this 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the simple step-by-step process to create and add an email signature in HubSpot so your emails always look polished and professional. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings panel. From the left-hand sidebar, navigate to General, and then click on Email. Under the Email section, you'll find a tab called Email Signature. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Edit Signature. A text editor will open up where you can either create a brand new signature or paste in one you've already designed. HubSpot allows you to use rich text formatting, add hyperlinks, and even insert images like your company logo or social media icons. Here's a tip: keep your signature clean and concise. Include your name, job title, company, phone number, and one or two key links like your website or booking link. Avoid overloading it with too many images or lines of text, as that can make your emails look cluttered. Once your signature is ready, click Save. Now, every email you send through HubSpot, whether it's from the CRM or marketing tools, will automatically include your professional signature. If you manage multiple signatures, for example, one for sales and another for support, you can create and save different versions. HubSpot lets you switch between them easily when composing an email. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've added a polished, on-brand email signature to HubSpot. This small detail makes a big difference in how your emails are perceived and helps your brand look more professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment below with what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.